Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And on this Wednesday of Colorado Flood Safety and Wildfire Awareness Week, we are going to be talking about flash flooding. Flash flooding is something that happens in Colorado every year. Since 1900, there have been over 300 flash flood related deaths in the state. The biggest occurrence was back on July 31st, 1976 during the Big Thompson Canyon flood. 144 lives were lost as a result of the almost 12 inches of rain that fell in only 4 hours. Flash flooding is defined as the rapid rise of water in a short amount of time, generally 6 hours or less. It can occur along large creeks or in dry washes or arroyos or just typically dry land areas. Flash flooding occurs with almost little to no advance notice. Like we mentioned, a really short amount of time for this to happen, generally 6 hours or less. Flash flooding typically occurs as a result of heavy rain in a short amount of time, but it can also occur as a result of dam or levee failures or also ice jam breaks along rivers. Flash flooding is very destructive because of not only the tremendous power of the water, but also a lot of the debris that it picks up with it sometimes. This debris and the force of the water can cause a lot of damage to buildings and roads and can even wash away the roads entirely. Colorado is unique in that we get flash flooding also from burn scars. So after we've had a wildfire, we have the burn scar that's left in its plates, and it really can't absorb much, if any, water, especially in a short amount of time. So we get our flash flooding and our debris flows. Most recently, in the western slip of Colorado, we had some flash flooding that occurred near Durango after the Fort 16 fire, and also near the Basalt area after the Lake Christine fire. For those of you that live near a burn scar, you need to make sure you're prepared and just take advance notice of what you need to do to prepare for potential flash flooding on a burn scar. So how can you know about the potential for flash flooding in your area? We do this in several ways, but we talk about it in our forecast discussions, our hazardous weather outlook, and also on our social media posts on Facebook and Twitter and our daily weather stories. On days when flash flooding is possible, we can issue a flash flood watch at our office. Remember, a flash flood watch means that flooding is possible. On days when flash flooding is occurring or imminent, we will issue or it's likely, we will issue a flash flood warning. So when a flash flood warning is issued for your area, make sure you are prepared and you know you need to act quickly as a result. Know your escape routes and make sure you're able to get to higher ground. One important thing to remember about flash flooding is that flash flooding deaths occur in vehicles much of the time. A lot of times people are trying to drive their car through flooded roadways, and again, you don't even know if the road is there or it could be heavily damaged. So do not drive into flooded waters. It only takes 1 to 2 feet of water to carry a car away. We always say, turn around and don't drown. Thanks very much. Have a good one.